Hi, my name is Will, co-founder of Clerk Chat. Welcome back to another video on conversational AI agents. In this video, we're going to show you how to attach a simple AI agent to your phone number to automate text messaging. Inside Clerk Chat, I have my inbox here, and I want to attach an AI agent to respond automatically to every message that comes in. I can click into the New Agents section. I can click New Agent. And right here, I can set up an AI to respond to the inbound message. Click AI, and I give my AI a prompt. I can click it to include the conversation of the current user. Click away, click save, and I can attach this to my phone number. If I head back to my inbox and I send this number a message, and you can see that the Clerk Chat AI agent responds accordingly. The sky's the limit when it comes to setting up Clerk Chat AI agents, but this is the fastest way to put an AI agent on your cell phone number.